Assalamu alaikum. Greetings from Talent Upskill, Class 5, English version Math. The topic is problems involving 4 rules. It's exercise 3. Question number 14, 15 and 16. Aisha bought 3 notebooks at 72 taka. How much will she pay if she buys 12 notebooks? Question number 3. So we have to find the price, the taka. The unit is taka. So we can rearrange this sentence. 3 notebooks cost 72 taka. So 12 notebooks cost how much? So we just write this sentence. 3 notebooks cost how much? 72 taka. One notebook cost, it's more or less, it should be less, so 72, the 3 will go down here, and for 12 notebooks cost 12 into 72 and 3 here. If we divide 12 by 3, it's 4. 4 into 72 equals to 8, 28, 288 taka. So answer 288 taka. Question number 14, sorry, this was 13, this is 14. 8 kg of pulao rice cost 960 taka. How many kilograms of pulao rice can be bought by 4,800 taka? So what we have to find? Kilograms. How many kilograms? So we can rewrite this sentence. Put the kilogram on the right side because we have to find the kilograms, not taka. So we put the taka on the left and kg or kilogram on the right. Can we write? Yes. So instead of saying 8 kg pulao rice cost 960 taka, we can say by 960 taka we get 8 kg pulao. $960 taka. Okay, by 960 taka we get 8 kg pulao or rice. Let us write rice. Okay, so by 1 taka we always find the price or the unit price. If you know the value of unit, then you can find any amount. That is why at first we find the unit price. Okay, by 1 taka we get, it should be less or more? It should be less because 960 taka can give us more rice. By 1 taka we should get less rice. So 960 should go below 960. and the unit is kg or kilogram, by 4,800 টাকা, 4,800 টাকা, we get that 4,800 should go up into 8, and below there was the 960 number, so equals to, if we divide 4,800 by 960, the quotient will be 5. So 5 into 8, it is 40. The unit is kg or kilogram, 40 kg. Answer 40 kg. And the last problem, number 16. Motorcycle can travel 300 km by 12 liter petrol. We have to find how many liters petrol. So we should put the liter on the right and kilometer on the left, because we have to find the liters. That is why we will put liters on the right. So instead of, yes, it is already in that order. So we can write motorcycle can travel 300 km by 12 liter petrol. The motorcycle can travel 300 km by 12 liter. Okay, therefore the motorcycle can travel 1 kilometer by, it should be more or less, it should be less. If it is less, the 300 should go below. Always, if it is more, we will put it at the top, and if it is less, then we should put it at the bottom. So 300 should go here, and liter. The motorcycle, so the motorcycle can travel, we have to find 100 km, can travel 100 km by 100 should go up, because it will increase from 1 kilometer to 100 kilometer. The amount of petrol should increase. So 100 into 12, that is why 100 goes up, and there was a number 300 here. Okay, now if we simplify, this 0 0 gone, 3 divides 12, and the quotient is 4. So 4 into 1 is 4. So we can write answer 4 liter petrol. 4 liter. If you have any question, please write it in the comment box. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.